Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on completing a table. There will be many instances where we will be asked to complete a table when we are given an equation and one of the variables. Let's look at some examples. Complete the table of values for each of the following using the given equation. So for example 1, here is a table where we have the variables m and k. So another name for those are pronumerals, of course. The reason we call them variables is that they can assume different values. So m can have the values of either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So they're the values we've assigned to m. Now we have to find the various values of k for each of those values of m. So the equation we're given is k equals m plus 2. So when m equals 1, which is there, k equals 1 plus 2, because that's what the equation says, 1 plus 2. So in other words, k equals 3. So when m equals 1, k equals 3. When m equals 2, k equals 2 plus 2, therefore k equals 4. When m equals 3, k equals 3 plus 2, which is 5. And when m equals 4, k equals 4 plus 2, which is 6. So in other words, we have found the 4 different values of k for each of those different values of m, and there they are in the table. So there's the completed table. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, and 4, 6. Let's have a look at another example. Here we have a table again with W and H. W has the values 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find the 4 different values of H. The equation is H equals 3 multiplied by W plus 4. So remember, there is a multiplication sign here. You don't have to show it, but it is there. So when W equals 1, H equals 3 outside of 1 plus 4, which is 3 times 5, because 1 plus 4 is 5, and that's 15. When W equals 2, H equals 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4, 3 times 6 is 18. When W equals 3, H equals 3 times 3 plus 4, 3 sevens are 21. And when W equals 4, H equals 3 outside of 4 plus 4, 3 times 8 are 24. So for each of the values of 1, 2, 3, and 4 for W, H is 15, 18, 21, and 24 respectively. So this video has shown us how to carry out substitution when we are given a table where we're being given one of the values. So one of the letters has different values, for example here, and we're asked to find the different values of the other letter or pronumeral or variable, and we have to use the given equation. This is a very, very important skill in mathematics, which we will be meeting throughout our school career in all different types of problems, going through all of our secondary schooling. Very, very important skill indeed, and we have to be very confident with it.